and this will open you into the part making window. You will see a range of tabs along this top ribbon. Today you'll be working in the Sketch tab and the Features tab. So you can click between those and you'll see the ribbon changes based on what you have selected. This column on the left here is your history. As you start to build a model, features and sketches will start to populate into this column. Now, to start off with, we're going to draw a simple box. Everything in SolidWorks begins with a two-dimensional sketch. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to this icon here which says Sketch and click it. And now you can see in the main window there are 3 planes which you can draw on. These are imaginary lines or planes. We're now going to sketch a corner rectangle, and we're going to click on the corner rectangle icon up here, and you'll see in the properties bar on the left it says select a plane on which to create a sketch for the entity. We're going to select the top plane. Now, this little L-shaped arrow thingamajig in the center of the screen is what's called the origin. You should always reference your drawing starting from the origin, and if you hover your mouse over the 2 points where the lines intersect, you will see that it locks on to that place. So we click once to start sketching, and then moving the mouse out and to the right we sketch a rough square. It doesn't have to be exact at this point. When you've sketched this square, click again on the mouse once to finish the sketch. Now what you should do is go over to the Sketch ribbon again and click on the Smart Dimension tool. This tool allows you to add dimensions to your drawing. When you want to make a smart dimension, you can do it in a couple of ways. You can either select a line and click once to start placing the dimension, click again to actually put it in position. And when this modify window opens up, this is where you enter the exact details that you want your sketch to be. In this case, I want it to be 50 millimeters. Once you've entered that, you can click this tick here, and that will save that dimension. Another way that you can place a dimension is between 2 lines. So in this case, we can click once on the first line, move across and click again on the second line. You will then have the dimensions start to appear. Move your mouse to place it and then click when you're happy with its location. Once again, we're going to make this 50 millimeters. Click the tick and it's complete. Now you can click this tick here to close the dialog. Your sketch is complete. What you can do is click on the Features tab and then click Extruded Boss Base. And this will allow you to turn your 2D sketch into a 3D model. We have D1, which is the depth over here, Let's change that to 50 millimeters and click the tick. The yellow here is a preview. Click the tick to complete, and there you have it. You have sketched a cube.